draw and learn. Oh, look at this bird. He wants to travel to the space. Hello, kids. Today we want to coloring this bird with each other. Let's go. At first, I'm using brown color for the bird. It's so nice. The bird wants to go to the space with the rocket. Do you like to travel to the space? That's so exciting! Please subscribe us! I'm using brown color for the bird. Let's imagine that we're in space too. What can we see in the space? That's right, we can see many stars in the space. Also, we can see big planets. Again, I'm using brown color for body bird. Please coloring with me. Now, I want to use light brown color for his mouth. Let's do it with me. I'm using light pink color for his cheeks. That's so great. Now I want to coloring the rocket. At first, I'm using blue color for here and this place. Then I like to use orange color for the rocket. What about you? Which color do you like to use for the rocket? I'm sure you can coloring very good. Okay, which color do you like to use for here? Maybe purple color can be so great. Do you like purple color? I like it. I'm using purple color for this part of the rocket. Please do it with me. That's well. Which color is the best for coloring the fire? What about orange color? Do you like it? I'm using orange color for two parts of the fire. And then I'm using yellow color for the middle part. Now it's a turn of stars. I'm using yellow color for the stars. The stars are so shiny in the sky. Do you like them? I like to see them in the sky very much. Oh kids, which color do you like to use for the window of the rocket? What about light yellow color? Do you like it? I'm using light yellow color for the window of the rocket. Finished! So amazing! Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.